Thank you for joining me for a discussion around what CBT is doing to deliver smart manufacturing solutions. I first would like to quickly go over the agenda. I'll start by letting you know who CBT is, and then I'll take a moment to discuss something called Refinery of the Future. Some of you may have heard about this initiative and its relevance to the oil and gas industry. It is proper to discuss this in the context of smart manufacturing because it forms a solution baseline that has application across many industries. As an example, we're leveraging this experience to deliver medical solutions, but that's a discussion for another time. Next, I'll transition into a discussion of solutions and use cases and highlight one that delivers significant ROI and a quick win approach to smart manufacturing, and that is connected worker. Finally, I'll talk about solution design and the importance of partnering with HPE to deliver a core-to-edge solution. I'll close with an ask to reach out to me or the greater CBT team with any questions you may have from this session. It is important to first let you know who we are. The tagline, technology with a human touch, really speaks to the culture of CBT. We put people at the center of our process, products, and technology solutions. CBT is a woman-owned technology solution provider and IoT domain expert integrator with an extensive partner network. I highlight the expertise in IT, OT convergence because it is the ability to help align operational teams with IT that delivers a successful solution within the context of smart manufacturing. Ultimately, CBT is focused on identifying and delivering the solutions that solve the challenging technical hurdles our customers face and deliver the highest possible business value. At CBT, we segmented our focus into 4 practice areas that not only deliver on value within the specific area, but when skill sets are combined across practice areas, we're perfectly aligned to deliver successful solutions like smart manufacturing. Hybrid IT is the area where core IT solutions fit and is something CBT has been delivering for almost 20 years. This is a core strength and speaks to our long partnership with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Asset intelligence or industrial IoT practice areas where the expertise lies to deliver on IT, OT convergence. Think digital transformation or manufacturing 4.0. Whether it is connecting to a high-value asset that is on the manufacturing floor or delivering a real-time dashboard monitoring the status of production equipment. CBT works with our customers to identify what the true value and the true business need is. We also have a practice area specific to high-performance computing and analytics. Once again, this has been in our DNA since the beginning of the company, delivering to customers ranging from aerospace to automotive. Finally, IT supply chain optimization is an area of focus to help our customers navigate the challenges of the IT infrastructure lifecycle. Earlier in the presentation, I mentioned CBT is award-winning. It is important to highlight some of the proof points. I don't take that term lightly. Here at CBT, we're proud of our achievements. Since 2017, we've been highlighted by CRN as an IoT innovator and have received CRN's Triple Crown Award multiple times. Also, we were notified that we would be featured in an upcoming Forrester report on smart manufacturing, so look out for that in the near future. As an HPE Platinum partner and with an expertise in industrial IoT and edge solutions, CBT became the inaugural member of the HPE Channel to Edge Institute. Quoting Antonio Neri, the CEO of Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, CBT is ahead of the crowd. The focus of this presentation is smart manufacturing, but it's important to understand how CBT matured into industrial IoT because it is a journey. For the past 3 years, while most companies were trying to experiment with industrial IoT solutions in a proof of concept exercise or maybe a mini lab environment, we were fortunate to get involved with a process manufacturing company that was willing to let us test and deploy industrial IoT solutions in an operational, profit-driven landscape, a chemical plant. The company is Texmark Chemicals. To Texmark's credit, they knew they needed this next generation of technology ingestion to stay compliant profitable, and competitive. So they confirmed a set of business drivers and technical goals that would serve as a compass through a 5-year project they termed Refinery of the Future. After initial consultation and collaboration with our lead partners, we've implemented 4 industrial IoT solutions, as these were the top priorities. 4 solutions are video as a sensor, asset integrity, predictive maintenance and analytics, and connected worker. It was later uncovered, and we find this happening often, that each of these solutions had multiple use cases associated with them. It is the scope of solutions and use cases that we've found are not only valuable in oil and gas, but also across industries, including manufacturing. Companies face significant hurdles in driving, developing, deploying innovative solutions. That statement is especially true when it comes to industrial IoT solutions. I attended IoT World last year, and I heard one of the keynote speakers state, IoT is where POCs go to die. What a true statement. The obstacles range from long development times, working in a risk-averse culture or vertical, to just a lack of ideas. So how do we help our customers deliver innovation? How did we identify a set of business drivers, technical goals that would serve as TechSmart's compass, or for that matter, any company's guiding template for innovation? At CBT, we have a process called Innovation Delivery as a Service, or IDaaS. We start with a design thinking approach in full collaboration with our customer, and this results in validated solutions or use cases. We then start lean to prove out the business value and demonstratable ROI, yet we architect for scale. Once deployed, we can then roll into the next cycle of innovation. This specialized methodology gets our customers past the obstacles and hurdles encountered in initiatives like smart manufacturing. So what are some of the most common solutions or use cases in smart manufacturing? Just as I discussed in the earlier slide regarding TechSmart, they align regardless of the vertical. Connected worker solutions deliver high value and a quick win for manufacturing environments. I'll cover this solution a little bit more in detail in the next slide. Asset integrity management is important for any environment, especially so in manufacturing. The ability to have a digital twin of a complex environment with a large number of high-value assets is truly invaluable. Easily having access to a wide range of data to maximize uptime, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure a more dependable environment. Video analytics is another solution that offers a range of sub-use cases that drive immediate value, from security in the manufacturing environment to quality control. Integrating a video analytics solution that is AI-driven delivers immediate benefits. Another high-value solution is condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. Leveraging sensor data on, say, a milling machine or a multi-axis lathe, then applying AI modeling predicts failures before they even happen. This keeps assets running and minimizes unplanned downtime. Finally, worker safety is key to any environment. Being able to prevent injuries through situational awareness and real-time visibility with and around our most important assets, our people. Connected worker solutions offer a seamless, endless stream of use cases that deliver significant business value. Being able to complete hands-on tasks and utilize voice-activated commands to view manuals or enter data instantly increases the worker safety. Using virtual remote guidance eliminates the days of flying in experts to complete a task or repair. Local workers on site can collaborate with experts from anywhere around the world in a matter of minutes to get necessary guidance and instruction. Excuse me. For instance, last summer, we demonstrated this at high-performance boat racing that was occurring in Saudi Arabia. And the builder of the engine happened to live in Seattle. So a mechanic was able to connect to him real time with a heads-up hands-free display and walk through repairing the engine. And the the engine designer never left the comfort of his home in Seattle. Pretty powerful use case. Another example is employee training. Travel restrictions in the current climate have hindered the ability of workers to attend training sessions. The connected worker solution allows the trainer to view and verify that tasks are being completed correctly. It also provides the opportunity to record training sessions for compliance purposes and to use for future training sessions. For inspection and quality control, whether it is a digital inspection workflow or the ability to view all of the historical data of a particular asset, we have you covered. With operational visibility, you're seeing real-time IoT data that you may not have previously had visibility to. Through the use of wired or wireless sensors, the real-time status of assets is easily accessible. Having this access allows for maintenance optimization, enabling the scheduling of maintenance to be proactive versus reactive. In a 24/7 plant environment, the cost of downtime is high, which is why the connected worker is so important. Ultimately, how do we deliver smart manufacturing solutions? It really comes down to the lessons we've learned through experience. Being able to bridge the gap between IT and OT through the blending of cultures is critical for success. These teams speak different languages and collaboration is key. Here at CBT, we have both IT and OT engineers on staff to help find that common ground and business value. It is important to have an industry-leading set of partners, then manage the process to deliver a full end-to-end solution. Having agreement across the team what each partner's responsibility is and what the business goals are eliminates finger pointing and promotes collaboration. Partners like HPE, Aruba, Intel, National Instruments, and PTC, just to name a few. As the domain expert integrator, CBT ensures that partners work towards a common outcome with a team-like attitude. I guess the best way to summarize a successful industrial IoT journey is that it's a team sport. As we wrap up this discussion, I wanted to highlight the value of partnering with HPE and show a simple infrastructure out in the production area that makes a manufacturing environment possible, a smart manufacturing environment possible. This is the configuration for a recent smart manufacturing initiative with an aerospace manufacturing company that serves as the foundation to deliver all of the use cases I've discussed. First, the establishment of a robust Aruba mesh network is foundational. Nothing can be accomplished without that. For compute, we leverage the EL4000. The Edgeline family is truly an industry-leading platform for both operational data and analytics at the edge, essentially bringing the compute advantages of the core right to the heart of the business, the manufacturing floor. Finally, we utilize the robust nimble HF20 for our storage requirements. Without this foundation to build off of, smart manufacturing solutions become siloed and segmented, impossible to implement and manage. So I wanted to say thank you. Really appreciate your time, and please connect with CBT if you have any questions. Thanks.